If your Chevy Traverse just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, we will find the culprit in under 3 minutes. Data shows 70% of no-start issues on these SUVs are caused by battery failure or poor cable connections. Let us break down the diagnostic steps to isolate the fault safely. Start by checking your battery voltage and clearing any terminal corrosion, then rule out a dead key fob battery. If the battery is solid, look toward the starter motor, ground straps, or a simple blown ignition fuse. Pay close attention to your dashboard. Messages like stably track or power reduced are major clues for your scan tool. Some fixes are driveway friendly, but starter replacements or ECU issues are best left to the professionals. Here is the typical cost breakdown to help you budget for the repair, depending on the failed component. For advanced troubleshooting, pull OBDI codes, perform a voltage drop test, and swap your starter relay. Keep a multimeter, scanner, and wire brush handy. They are the most important tools for any GM owner. Remember, if you smell burning or see smoke, disconnect the battery immediately and stop troubleshooting. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links to the tools mentioned and subscribe for more Traverse guides.